Alright, Super Fams, it's your boy Will Deezy. So we are, instead of taking Uber, we are walking because we just kind of ate too much. We just didn't burn off some calories. You know how it is. So kind of stumbled across this, you know, really beautiful, you know, Christmas vibes kind of thing. We have like him just kind of getting ready for Cascade. Okay, anyways, so we are at Dockers headquarters. So you know, like the shoes, things fine at the bay and whatsoever. Right here, baby, right here. And guess where this is? Levi Strauss Co. This is the head office here. Can we go in? Yo, we can go in. Yo, we can go in. This is pretty freaking cool. This is pretty cool. Alright, let's go. So, been walking for 15 minutes. Reservation is at 10. Currently, right now, it is 8:22 p.m. Yeah, I know, but
stand over there.
Shit.
Like, you know, you stand
that's a pretty good picture. Let's go get a pic. Okay, guys, car spot. M3 lowered on OEM wheels. Let's go. Sure. Okay, guys, so we're at the financial district now. It's kind of all your business, techie companies. They're all kind of located here. As you can see above me, all freaking big, tall buildings. So let's go. You guys see what I mean? Literally the financial district. Jeez, guys, that's freaking crazy. This lighting, yeah, let's pop the seat. Alright, what's up, everyone? Quick pit stop of the day today, and as you can see above mine, this is freaking crazy. Damn. Pretty freaking crazy. Guys, Salesforce is not to be effed with, man. This building is Salesforce. This building is Salesforce. This building Salesforce. That building is Salesforce. And that building is Salesforce. Holy crap, guys. Alright, Super Fam, so we in Chinatown, boy. Let's go. We in Chinatown, boy. We in Chinatown. So, I don't know, we're in Mr. Jiu'S right now. As you can see behind me, it is hella lit up in Chinatown right now. Most restaurants are closed, or most stores are closed right now, because usually for Asian stores, they usually close pretty damn early. So, it's pretty quiet right now. Trying not to get robbed here, but gotta make a left in Sacramento, and then we should hit up Mr. Jiu'S very soon. We are here at Mr. Jiu'S, and that's him actually working back in the kitchen. Like, that is freaking amazing. Damn. So this is pretty much where he is working, perfecting his craft. Finally, after how many years? After, let's say, freaking 5 years, finally we are here at the most iconic staple spot. So literally Mr. Jiu'S behind me, 1 Michelin star, and we're gonna go in, we're gonna get ham. Let's go. We are going in. Mr. Jiu'S, 1 Michelin star. Oh, dude, chill. So we are finally at the staple, at this place, and this is how the inside's gonna look like. So that's how we go. we got started early. We are fully in at Mr. Jiu'S right now. We literally walked for like an hour, so pardon the freaking sweaty mess that I'm in right now. Inside, decoration-wise, decor-wise, is pretty calming. The marble art, as you can see on that side, very chill, very tranquil. The flower petals, lights, as you can see over there, very modern, very contemporary kind of thing. Menu wise, I just see like more kind of Asian influence. Of course, Mr. Jiu'S is Asian, right? As you can see the kitchen behind me, where they're working at, the kitchen is like super sparkling clean, bright, and yeah, no, like can't wait until the food comes. It's gonna be pretty good. Stay tuned. This. I don't know, I'm super scared trying it, but I don't know, we'll see.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, the texture, once you bite into it, it kind of almost just melts in your mouth. This is pretty much baked in the oven, right?
Yeah.
Crispy, not soggy. Texture is just really on point, man. Once you bite into it, it literally melts in your mouth and it just kind of goes right in. It's actually so freaking crazy. You finished yours already? Flavors and balance, not too salty, everything's kind of just perfect. What are your first thoughts?
I don't know. I'm trying to understand. There's so much flavor in here. It's got that bright, it's got that crispy crunch to it. And it's just so tender.
I'm gonna try it, man. Alright, so this is the infamous wings, orange chicken wings that we got. So, I'm gonna try this and I just wanna see what's up, yo. Orange blast in your mouth, man. This is so freaking good. Wow. It just kind of the orange kind of just rushes into your into your mouth. And everything just kind of oh, it seasons so well. I love it. Alright, so now it's sea urchin and caviar. I want to cry right now.
And then the next comes
So this is the Jiu'S with the duck pickled veg, and I don't know, man. This looks good. The color is good. Everything is good. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so what's up, TRVL fam? Finally back home. Super full. Mr. Jiu'S was definitely one of the best experiences I've ever had trying a Michelin star restaurant.